In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and get Sacred Shards here in Raid Shadow Legends in 2025 and onwards. These Sacred Shards are going to allow you to summon guaranteed epic and legendary champions without spending any money. That being said, before we do dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Now, there's a few things you can do. The first thing that I recommend doing is just doing progress missions, because they avoid several Sacred Shards as one-time rewards. And these are actually some of the earliest guaranteed shards that you're going to get, so push through them as soon as possible. To find them, just go into your missions just like so, and it's going to be within these campaign missions. And as you can see, it's going to show you your progress down below. On top of that, I recommend doing clan boss battles, specifically Nightmare and Ultra Nightmare, just because chests from them have a chance to drop Sacred Shards. And hitting the boss daily does give you multiple chances and higher damage tiers, meaning that you're going to get better drop rates. On top of that, certain secret rooms and floor clears in the Doom Tower also do give Sacred Shards, so I recommend checking that out. And you could do this and get 1 to 2 shards every single month. Now, a big part of Raid Shadow Legends is also the events and tournaments. Champion training, artifact enhancement, and dungeon divers events also include Sacred Shards as some of the top milestone rewards, so make sure you're doing those. And of course, make sure you're also doing the advanced quests and your login rewards just by logging in every single day and completing some of those quests, because you're going to get 1 free Sacred Shard every single month. But apart from playing the campaign, that is the best way to get more Sacred Shards here in Raid Shadow Legends. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. Before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.